At the next question, Arzu invested rupees 8,000 in buying rupees 50 shares of a company. She sold half of these when they were at premium of rupees 10, remaining at a discount of rupees 5. Find her gain and loss on the whole transaction. Now, see, she is spending rupees 8,000 to buy rupees 50 shares. So this will help us calculate that, how many shares has she bought in total. So rupees 8,000 is the investment. They are available at rupees 50. So she has bought 160 shares. So this is what is clear. Now, half of these she is selling them at a premium of rupees 10. So 80 shares she is selling at a premium. What is the premium? Rupees 10. So she will be selling these at rupees 50 plus 10. That is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to rupees 60. Okay. Other half she is selling at a discount of rupees 5. So 80 shares she is selling at a discount of rupees 5. That is rupees 45 per share. This also is per share. Find the gain and loss on the whole transaction. So what I'll do is I'll multiply 8 into 60. 8 into 60, this would be 4,800 rupees. This is what she would have got in the first leg of the transaction. Then 80 into 45. 80 into 45. This is rupees 3,600. This is what she would have got here. And I sum these. So 3,600 plus 4,800, 8,400. So she has got 8,400 when she sells the shares in two halves. Now, how much had she invested? She had invested 8,000. So she had invested 8,000. She is selling at 8,400. So the profit, I'm sorry. Yeah. So she is selling, she had invested 8,000. She is selling at 8,400. So what is the gain? The gain is rupees 400. The gain is rupees 400. They have just asked for the gain or loss. If they had asked for the gain or loss percent, it would have been 400 upon what is the investment? 8,000. They haven't asked the percentage. I'm just calculating the percentage. So she made a gain of 5%. So hope this makes sense. Now, what you need to understand is you should understand what is the meaning of premium, what is the meaning of discount. That you should understand, because this can come as a MCQ also. So we can have three conditions. We can have share at par, we can have share at premium or above par, or we can have a share which is selling at discount or below par. You should understand this. I have discussed this in detail in the first question. So let's go to the next question. The first, see, these first three questions that I've done are, relatively easy. These next two questions, this Mr. Ram Gopal and Raju, they are a bit tricky questions. So let's start with these questions.